This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 12, Visual Perception. The video introduces the field of visual perception, exploring its key components and applications in visual culture. It establishes visual perception as a focus area, emphasizing the importance of understanding form and structure while making visual studies, engaging through a practical approach. Visual perception encompasses concepts like depth perception, color perception, and the stopping interaction. The video questions the very nature of perception, examining these concepts in detail. It ponders the meaning of perceiving and experiencing things, suggesting a lack of clarity around these terms and the concepts involved. Visual perception involves processing sensations and interpreting them based on existing knowledge and memory. Philosophers like William James believe perception largely arises from within the mind itself. The brain unconsciously creates shapes from incomplete visual data, leading to potential illusions due to conflicting interpretations of the same input. Attention acts as a filter in perception, allowing focus on one aspect at a time. Most people cannot genuinely multitask, only attending to one thing simultaneously. Activities like driving while talking on the phone can be dangerous due to this lack of attentional focus. Visual stimuli require attention, which has interesting implications for perception. Form perception enables visual communication through elements like foreground and background. Principles like grouping, continuity, and closure shape how forms are perceived as coherent wholes. The figure-ground relationship allows switching between perceiving forms as figures or backgrounds. Artists exploit these principles to guide attention and create intrigue, complemented by depth perception for effective visuals. Depth perception relies on cues like linear perspective, where closer objects appear larger and distant ones smaller. Converging lines create the illusion of distance and vanishing points. Incomplete objects seem behind complete ones in the same plane. The ability to perceive depth depends on learning and experience, with perspective effects making buildings seem smaller as they go forward. The video explores color perception, which is influential in evoking emotions beyond what black and white can achieve. It explains additive colors like RGB used in screens, where mixing yields white, and subtractive colors like pigment colors, where mixing yields duller shades. Primary pigment colors are yellow, magenta and cyan, with secondary colors being their blends. Colors have different brightness levels, with some appearing closer or further away. Certain colors evoke specific moods or emotions like happiness, sadness, or calmness. Colors can create a sense of distortion, negativity, or positivity in images. Cultural factors like age, class, and trends influence color preferences and associations, although consistent color-emotion associations exist across cultures. Illusions demonstrate discrepancies between perception and reality, like curved lines appearing straight. Escher's paradoxical images depict impossible transformations and perspectives that defy logic. Optical illusions exploit how our eyes and brain interpret visual information, creating perception shifts. Color perception is influenced by surrounding colors, creating illusory differences in shades. These mind-bending illusions and paradoxical art challenge our understanding of visual perception. The video presents exciting images and responses from visual communication surveys, allowing participants to share their insights and enabling collaborative discovery. The lessons aim to help evolve better visual communication strategies. In summary, visual perception shapes visual communication and artistic expression. Illusions arise from conflicting interpretations of sensory input. Colors evoke specific emotions and influence depth perception. Attention acts as a filter, allowing focus on one aspect at a time. Form perception enables coherent grouping and figure-ground relationships, while depth cues like perspective give the illusion of distance and depth. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.